Are you looking to save multiple Outlook emails to MSG format? We've got you covered. But before we begin, let's take a look at why it's important to export PST to MSG. View specific emails without loading the entire PST file. Share selected emails without sending the full mailbox. Save messages in structured folders for better management. Locate and open emails quickly using file search tools. We'll show you 2 easy ways to convert PST to MSG. Let's start with the manual method to save PST emails as MSG. Save PST email as MSG using Outlook. Create a new folder, open Outlook. Select the emails to export, use Ctrl or Shift to select multiple emails. Drag and drop the selected emails to the new folder to save them as MSG. But wait, this method has some drawbacks. Manual drag and drop takes too long for bulk emails. Can't export entire folders at once. Outlook must be installed and set up. Higher risk of missing or duplicating emails. Now let's check the Pro method to convert Outlook PST to MSG. To save time and effort, use the Recovery Tools Outlook PST Migrator. Just visit the official Recovery Tools website and download our PST to MSG converter. Launch the software, and click Next to begin. Add your Outlook profile data using an automated option. Select the folders you want to export. Choose MSG as saving format. Set the destination path. Pick a file naming option. And lastly, click Convert. Let's look at the advantages of using the Outlook PST Migrator. Export thousands of emails at once, saving time and effort. Apply filters like date, subject, etc. for selective export. Keeps your original mailbox hierarchy intact. Preserves all email details and attachments without data loss. And that's all for this video. Visit the given product link today to download the product. For any queries, email us at support@recoverytools.com.